video. So I have this pool noodle that I'm going to be using to make my my wreath. So I'm just going to start by cutting the ends off. So I'm going to take one end. So I went ahead and I had cut out all of the flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. I cut the stems and the flowers separately just so I'll be able to attach them onto the pool noodle separately. Alright, so now when it comes to the part where I use the duct tape to hold the pool noodle together, it was hard for me to just stick the flowers through like how I was doing with the other ones. So what I had to do was I had to cut off the stems completely off of the flower and then place hot glue. So you'd see me trying to attempt to stick it through the tape, but it's not gonna work. It definitely did not work. No matter how hard I pushed, the stick just bent over instead, and it didn't poke through at all. So eventually I realized that this is not gonna work, and I just cut all of the irons off of the flower, and I ended up using my hot glue. I put hot glue on the green part of the flower on the back and just attached it directly onto the pool noodle. So moving forward for those areas, all of the flowers that I attached to the pool noodle on the duct tape part, I literally just put hot glue on it and put it directly onto it to hold it down instead of pushing it through like how I did with the other areas.